You like that movie, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, didn't you?
I love the movie. I don't mind Mr. Zeve either. Like you said, this is last time hosting, so why not just burn the whole place down?
Right.
Yeah.
Why not just go for it? I like that movie, too. It wasn't my favorite of Quentin Tarantino, but it was still pretty good.
I would still recommend it, even though you're not quite sure where it's going or what's going on. But it's like 2 hours and 2 3/4 hours. I never took my eyes off the screen the whole time.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Mary, good morning to you. Good Monday morning to all those of you getting up early with us. We've got a stormy cycle to talk about for this coming week. Beginning, well, first thing this morning, here comes a well-developed warm front towards the coast again. It was rather blustery over the course of the weekend. How do you feel about a diminishing wind and then worse in terms of the rainfall for today? We'll add in a stronger wind and more rain to the Tuesday forecast. That's not the end of the storm cycle this week. I put together a long-range 7-day computer forecast model outlook for you just to sort of bring into the Weather Center, let you know what is going on over the next several days. We're about to get our first Arctic outbreak of the winter season, and it's really a wicked one. It's several days away yet. So it's rain for today all across the region. It may ease off temporarily late today or tonight, but it's back with a vengeance on Tuesday. Heavier rain, stronger wind. The center of that storm begins to move over the region around midday tomorrow. Looking to Wednesday, it's very windy down the Strait of Georgia, but that's cool, drier air. I do believe we'll get some sunny breaks on Wednesday, and it stays cool. Thursday and Friday, isolated flurries around parts of the lower mainland. It's a very low freezing level on Thursday. How about Friday? That's a major winter storm. Stronger wind, widespread snow, transitioning over to rain. Friday looks like a really nasty day. Through the course of the weekend, it's part showers, part flurries, trending colder. This is your Monday weather map with a huge high-pressure ridge over the interior. Arctic air pushing down through the mainland inlets. It is going to be bitterly cold around here for next week. But hey, it's day one of back to school for the kids, and this time around, it's all about the rain. 7 degrees today. Here is that longer range picture. Again, a little bit blustery at times Tuesday, Wednesday. Heads up for the Friday storm. That'll be an interesting one. Thor, happy Monday morning to you.
Same to you, my friend. Yeah, and then most of the kids going back to school today as well, right?
About time.
Going to be a lot of dry eye in the house there. Thanks a lot, Russ.